budget food favourers, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first proper vlog, so I thought as it's UK Coffee Week I'd talk about ways that you can enjoy drinking coffee and save some money. So enjoy! Research from the British Coffee Association found this week that 25% of us enjoy drinking our coffee outside, and of that 25%, 50% are millennials, either drinking it in coffee shops or on the way to work, on the way to university, wherever it is, we tend to be drinking it more on the go. Now I know that people always say that you'll be able to save loads of money if you stop drinking fancy lattes. Now while you're not going to save millions, you could save a couple of pounds a week, which is always great because you can put that towards other things that you might want to do, like saving for a holiday or whatever it is that you want to save up for. So here are my 3 top tips on how you can save money and enjoy drinking your coffee. My first tip is to buy a reusable coffee cup. So coffee cups such as this one from Lucy Lockett Loves can be bought easily online or on the high street, and they're incredibly cheap and they just help you save a little bit of money, and they're also great for the environment. So if you go to somewhere like Prep, for example, and you have a reusable coffee cup, you can save 50p on your takeaway coffee. If you go to Starbucks, it's 10p. Everywhere kind of varies, but you can get slightly discounted rates if you bring one of these in. And it's also great for the environment as well, so you've got added benefits. Step number 2 is to make it an event. I love going to independent coffee shops. In Southampton we've got so many. You've probably seen from my Instagram, I'm always in Metrics if I can. But I try and go once a week. I bring a book or a magazine, I sit down with a latte and just have a little bit of quiet time and a nice relax. It's just kind of nice to do something outside of the house for a change. So if you're into coffee, then try and find a really nice independent that you love and just go there once a week and have your little treat for yourself. That way you're less inclined to buy coffee out because you know you have it once a week and you know you can look forward to it. My third and final tip is to buy a really nice jar of instant. It may seem odd as someone who's always telling people to save money, to encourage them to go out and spend money, but if you go and buy a really nice jar of instant, or maybe you have an espresso or a Dolce Gusto or some kind of coffee machine at home, if you buy a coffee that you really love that you can have at home, it works out cheaper than if you were to go out and spend, say, £2.80 a day on a takeaway coffee. So although the initial outlay might be a lot, in the long run the amount you'll save will work out to be a lot cheaper. So there you have it guys, those are my 3 top tips on how to enjoy drinking coffee and save a little bit of money. If you enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate if you give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. I'm going to try and do one of these once a week, so if there's anything in particular you want me to talk about, then please drop a comment below or send me a message, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. You'll find me across the board. I prefer cooking.co.uk. Thank you very much for watching. Bye!